I've been seeing way more people with flares of asthma in the last few weeks than I normally do. And this is because of something called thunderstorm asthma. So in the summer months, thunderstorms can trigger sudden and severe asthma attacks in people who have hay fever and are allergic to grass pollen. They do not necessarily need to have asthma. This phenomenon is really rare, but it can be really dangerous, and here's why. Pollen particles are typically too large to get into our lungs, but when a thunderstorm is brewing, updrafts of air make this pollen rise into the clouds. When exposed to this airborne moisture, these pollen grains rupture into tiny pieces, and these return to ground level as a pollen shower. These smaller bits of pollen can be inhaled deep into someone's lungs, and they can trigger really severe allergic reactions. In a less severe form, they can worsen symptoms of asthma and hay fever. To tackle this, it's really important that you keep your hay fever and asthma under control at all times.